If you've seen any of my videos before, you know that I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in their business, and to build something they can sell someday for a lot of money when they decide it's time to move on to the next phase of their life. Okay, so what am I excited about today? Clarity and action. I want to give you a little challenge, and I'm also here to support you. So here's the challenge. Choose one area of your business and put together a simple action plan to make it better. Couldn't be any more simple, right? Think about sales, profitability, maybe collections, right, to help with cash flow. What else do you want to improve in your business? Maybe safety training, maybe technical training. Maybe you want to get more Google reviews. Maybe you want to do a better job of documenting your processes. Maybe you want to work yourself out of the day-to-day operations. Maybe there's just one thing that you can't stand doing anymore and you want to stop doing it. Whatever it is, think about what's one thing that I could do, what's one area I could focus on in my business to make it better, and put together a simple action plan. You might be fine on this on your own. And if you are, great. Do it. Take 5 minutes right now when you come to the end of the video. Come up with a plan. Put it into action. Start today. If you need help, book a call. Email me, scott@thegrowthleague.com, and I will gladly help you. All right? So, again, choose one area that you want to make progress. Just one area that you want to improve something in your business and take action today, right? Why not? Why wouldn't you do it? Is there a good reason? I don't think so. If there is, email me that too. All right? I'll see you in the next video. Let me know how I can help.